guys, so let's create this makeup look as you have seen. So I'm starting with my skin preparation. For that I'm using this Cetaphil's moisturizer. It is very soothing and very hydrating on your skin. So this is one of my favorite moisturizers. It makes my skin looks really plump and hydrating. So I'm using this moisturizer. After moisturizer I'm using this palette. Basically it's a concealer palette. So for first of all I'm just going to be using color correction. So as you can see I'm facing a lot of dark circles. So for dark circles I'm using this orange color corrector. I will put a little bit on both the sides. Then after this color correction I'm just going to be blending it with my fingers only, because it gives a very natural effect. So after that I'm just going to be using this shade on my pimples. As you can see a lot of pimples I'm having right now, so it can hide and it gives a really natural effect. As you can see it blends out really nicely. Then on the other side also. So as you can see everything is very nicely blending out and it gives a really nice natural effect. That's it, we're not going to use any foundation for this natural look. So after that I'm just going to be using this blush. After applying the blush I'm just going to be using this highlighter on my nose area plus on my higher cheeks, so that it gives natural glow. Not too much but a little bit. So after applying highlighter we're going to use this kajal pencil. So I'm just going to be applying this kajal pencil on my waterlines, so that it gives you really sharp effect, and I love using kajal. So after kajal we're going to use this lipstick. So I'm just going to dab the lipstick on my lips so that it gives a natural effect, and blending it out with my fingers for really nice color. Then I'm just going to be brushing my brows, just brushing, and almost the look is complete. Applying this gloss for very plumpy lips. So this is the final look guys. I hope you like this look. It's very simple, minimal. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye.